Kirchen. And it's all because of the river trail. Yeah, as I already said, it's the main river of this area until the 19th century. The only way to this area and to Hallstatt as well. So that's why here's like everything connected with the name of this river.
Pretty. Your face in it. Aww, look how cute I am.
Can't get a good shot from the bus now. When we get off the bus, I'm sure you'll see more. Oh, here's Mark. Hi, Eva. We're here traveling around Austria.
So, just in a couple of minutes we're going to be there. Let's discuss our plans, yeah? Now I need your attention. We're going to spend here half an hour. What we're going to do? No, once we're there, I will lead you to the castle, where you'll be given a time just to walk around, to take your pictures. You will cross the wooden bridge, then you could walk around the castle. As I already said, it's totally located on the lake, on a tiny island. From the pier behind the castle, you will see a view of Gmunden, town that I was talking about. And then you will go back to the bus using the same way, and for departure, we're going to meet on the bus. Also here, you have a possibility to visit strategically important point, which is toilet. It costs 50 cents, so you will need coins.
So come with us, Eva and Mark, when we take you all over Austria.
And after spending our time here, we will go